Okay, this is just a quick video. Somebody asked about resetting the TV and does that help? Yes, it does help. You'll be surprised how many times, especially with Vestel sets, that going back to what we call factory settings or first time installation sorts out quite a few problems. Hang on a second, just closing the door. But this person was, I think his name was Mark. Mark was talking about a Samsung TV. Yes, you can factory reset a TV, or you can reset a TV using the standard remote, and I want to test this anyway to see if just wanted to see if this remote was working. So you can go into the menu and reset the TV, but you can't properly factory reset a remote on this TV. So for that you need one of these, which is a factory reset remote control, and it's nothing special. They're available on eBay. There is a model number here which you probably can't see. I don't know if the light will make any difference on it, but I will read it out. It's AAB1-00243B, and obviously I've put a bit of tape on the bottom to remind me that this is the factory reset one. And this has a factory reset button here, where a standard one would have something like settings. And well, you can't just press factory, you have to press iFactory. So info and then factory. So info and factory. And let me switch that main light off because you can't see. It's then brought it into the factory mode. Now, again, so many people love to play with things, and there will be people going out now to buy this remote control so they can play with their Samsung TV. Well, do so at your own risk, because unless you know what most of these things do, I wouldn't go anywhere near it. That's just a warning. But I'm straightforward doing a factory reset, and that's the factory reset done. And that means it's now wiped. You will not be able to find out how many hours this TV's been on for. I should have had a look really, shouldn't I? And now if I switch it on, it thinks it's a brand new TV, and it will do exactly what it would do if you were to buy this TV and get it out of the box. It would always have a fancy Samsung video, I would have thought. I'm not too sure if I've seen the QLED video. Is that it? No, thank you. Incidentally, that little ticking, clicking noise that you can hear in the background that crops up every so often, I don't hear as I'm recording it, but it is a failing camera. In fact, it's the camera that I'm using. But all these cameras that I've been using, apart from the new 4K one, will be disappearing on Christmas Day. I'm buying another 4K camera so we can broadcast completely in 4K, and some of these other glitches will disappear. Now, I've put in a different pin. And yes, that probably means I will be uploading a video on Christmas Day. How sad is that? Please make sure you watch it. Thank you. I don't know what it will be, obviously, but I'll stick something up on Christmas Day. Actually, Christmas Day, I find, is a very anticlimaxing, boring day, so I'd love to do a video anyway. The reason I've put in a different pin is because I'm going to use this set as a loan set. There we go. That's that done. I just want to see if it does anything else. No, it doesn't. Right, fine. That'll go back to its main screen. So that's how to factory reset a TV from out of the box settings, as if it's had no hours on it whatsoever, compared to just going into the menu and doing a well, it's not called a factory reset, is it, in the menu? I just think it's called reset. There is a difference. I hope that helps.